how to edit a PDF file in Canva. So with Canva up, you want to come across the top here and select upload. Then this pop-up box will appear. You want to select choose file here. Then you want to select your PDF file. Then select open, and it should auto start to upload that PDF in a design. It should load here in the recent designs section. You want to press it, and here it is, the PDF. So to edit it, all you need to do is select any of the text, for instance here. So I'll change this title. You can change any of the text. As well as changing the text, you can come down. For instance, let's say I want to delete this image. Select it and press backspace, and this will delete the image. Once you've done that and made all the edits you wish, come up to share, then select download. At the top here, select file type, choose PDF standard, then select download, and it will start to download the PDF. It's usually pretty quick. Select the location where you want to download it to. I'll put it on my desktop, and here it is, as you can see, the edited PDF file. So that's how to edit a PDF file in Canva. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.